Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Whether you've forgotten your password or just need to share it with someone, I'll guide you through the steps. So, let's get started. First, right-click on your connected network. Here, click on Network and Internet Settings. Click on Wi-Fi option. Click on Properties. Move down. Now click on View Wi-Fi Security Key option. Click on View. Done. And there you have it. Your Wi-Fi password is now visible, and you can use it to connect your devices or share with others. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions or video suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video.